Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm gonna tell you a little about a very special mineral that can help you if you have tinnitus. In today's show, you're gonna learn a lot about the tinnitus and the special mineral that is gonna help you to resolve your problems. A large number of people suffer from this disease. The key to permanent treatment is finding the cause of the disease. Unfortunately, a large number of people never find out, so they are unsuccessfully treated for so many years. Ringing in the ears or tinnitus is a common problem which occurs in connection with other conditions, such as hearing loss due to old age, ear injuries or disorders of the circulatory system. Although this ringing in the ears is not connected to many serious diseases, when you have this tinnitus for the long time, maybe months, maybe years, in most cases it can lead you to the depression or maybe any other psychological problem. Also, it can lead you to insomnia. Research shows that some cases of tinnitus are caused by excessive sensitivity of the nerve cells that leads from the ear to the brain, and by incorrect signal recognition in the brain hearing center itself. Neurons not only serve to transmit signals, but also communicate with other neurons by exchanging signals. These feedback signals stimulate or silence other neurons. As the connections between neurons strengthen, they become more sensitive to that type of stimulus. The ear and the brain act selectively, adapting to more sensitive to those stimuli that they can perceive as important, and ignore those data that are considered unimportant noise and unnecessary load. It is a sensitive and very complex system that has not very yet fully explored, and that is maybe one of the greatest reasons why you cannot find any kind of solution for the ringing or tinnitus for a long period of time. Exciting news, my dear followers! My first book, that is called Intermittent Fasting: The Secrets of Health and Longevity, is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website mariolab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world. Usually, and I see this in 25 years of my practicing in my office, the most common problem why you cannot find any kind of solution for the tinnitus is because you cannot find the real cause. Usually, maybe 100-150 kind of different stuff can cause tinnitus, and that's why you cannot get yourself relieved from this kind of problem. A disturbance in the system, such as extensive sensitivity of neurons or the creation of a feedback loop in which neurons themselves generate and interpret signals, can be easily burden the hearing center and be recognized as tinnitus or ringing in the ears. Among the common physical and tangible causes of tinnitus in ears, we count damage to the cells of the inner ear. Tiny delicate hairs in the inner ear sense the pressure of the sound waves, which causes an electrical signal to be released through the auditory nerve to the brain. Your brain interprets those signals as a sound. And when we talk about what is the main cause of the tinnitus. As I said before, there's so many causes. One of the causes why you have the tinnitus, and I see it very often in my office, is the injury on some kind of problem in your spine, especially in your neck spine, because the neck spine is connected to the ears, also to your brain. And if you had some kind of arthritis, any kind of diseases that attacks your spine in the neck, you can also have tinnitus. Also, there is many age-related hearing loss, earwax blockage, bone changes in the ear, middle ear inflammation, Eustachian tube dysfunction, Meniere's disease, tremors and depression, problems with the temporomandibular joint, acoustic neuroma, tumors, atherosclerosis, high blood pressure. They are one of the most common causes, and this is what I see always in my practice. And also one more very important information. You must take very seriously what medication you use each day. A lot of medication these days can cause a lot of side effects, and many of them causes tinnitus. That's why you need to talk to your doctors and tell them that you have tinnitus, especially if you take many medication each day. Maybe all of these medications can cause tinnitus. That's why you need help from a very good medical doctor or practitioner. And when we talk about minerals that can help you, studies, researchers and the people from the suffering of tinnitus, they find out that magnesium is the maybe most important mineral that can help you relieve your tinnitus. Magnesium is probably the most important mineral in the body, which is why magnesium deficiency can be such a problem. Not only does magnesium help regulate calcium, potassium and sodium, it is essential for the cellular health and critical compound of more than 300 biochemical functions in the body. 60% is found in the bones, 30% in soft tissues, muscles, 67% in the cells, and only 1% magnesium is in the blood. It actively participates in signaling between the cells, normal nerve function, muscle contraction, and normal heart function. This is why it's so important, if you have tinnitus, to take each day a recommended daily dosage of magnesium. One more important thing, when you think about magnesium, always think about the calcium, because magnesium and calcium work together in your body, and if you take these two minerals, you can relieve your tinnitus maybe in very easy way. The recommended daily dosage are 1000 to 1500 milligrams daily. I would always recommend that you try to take prevent tinnitus with food rich in magnesium. Food rich in magnesium are spinach, zucchini, pumpkin seed, lima beans, tuna, brown rice, almonds, dark chocolate, avocado, bananas, tofu, Alaska king crab, peanut butter, molasses, bread from integral grains, sea algae, amaranth. If you have experience with tinnitus, maybe this could help you. When you take magnesium, and if you take it how you should take it for the long period of time, it could relieve your problems. This doesn't mean if you take magnesium that you relieve 100% your tinnitus. Tinnitus is the very serious problem. First and most, you must find the real causes. If people suffer magnesium deficiency, if you take magnesium and calcium, you can easily resolve your problems. But if you have like neck problems, nerve problems or whatever, causes are, you must find first that problem, and you need to take it into consideration to take best natural remedies to resolve this problem. But for today's show, the most important mineral that researchers said people that suffer from tinnitus, magnesium, can help a lot of people with this serious problem. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mario Lab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr, my new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language.